Hello and welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video. It's a sound demo video. It's to accompany our Etsy listing. It's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here, and as you can see it's rather spectacular. Tie-dyed, black, purples, all sorts of beautiful colours happening in there. So yeah, this is a buffalo skin drum. It's on an ashwood frame. As I say, it's 18 inches. If I turn it over, I put buffalo and ash on the inside of the frame there, along with birthed on the 6th of August 2024 in Knighton Parish, UK. That's for all of you interested in the astrology of the drum. I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. The symbol for Leo, that's the astrological house that the drum falls into. I've also put a couple of images of a crow, a flying crow in there, which is duplicated onto the handle as well, which is a silver birch handle here, and I put the crows there. I bound this with some leather, two different colors, the purpley red and the black, so it all ties together lovely in design. And the purpose of the video is to have a little listen to the sound. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater. I'm going to start with a soft beater here. Let's have a play. Beautiful. It's got a lovely deep resonance to it, this drum. This is the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing online. It's always tricky, and that's why I make these little videos to accompany my Etsy listings, to enable you to have a listen to the sound. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.